Do you love icy cold drinks but hate that rock hard ice that's stuff on your teeth and waters down everything? What if you could have that perfect ice every single time without all the hassle of cleaning and maintenance? Meet the ViBOFROST Ice Maker. It's here to completely change your drink experience. We're talking about that good ice, the soft, crunchy, chewable kind you crave. Unlike traditional hard ice, this machine creates gentle, crunchy ice that's incredibly satisfying and easy to chew. It won't hurt your teeth. It's the perfect texture to chill your drink fast, without diluting the original, fresh taste. It's not just ice, it's an upgrade. Let's put it to the test. First up, a classic with a twist, iced lemon cola. Start by filling your glass with the perfect nugget ice. See how it packs in there? Now pour in your favorite cola and give it a zesty finish with a fresh slice of lemon. The result? A colder, crispier, and more flavorful cola. Pure refreshment. But the magic of ViBOFROST isn't just in the ice. It's in the machine itself. We've all seen that gunk that builds up in the other ice makers. This machine was developed with Core Auto Flush technology. The IceScale Defense system automatically flushes the machine, reducing up to 80% of internal scale buildup. It's a hassle-free solution. No more manual descaling or worrying about what's building up inside. The AquaSmart Intelligent Wash keeps your machine clean and efficient, so your ice is always pure. Now, for all the coffee lovers, let's make a classic iced coffee. Brew your coffee strong and let it cool down a bit. Fill your glass with ViBOFROST ice. Pour in that rich coffee and add milk or sugar just the way you like it. Because the ice chills instantly without melting right away, you get a bold, smooth iced coffee that isn't watered down. And for a lasting fresh taste, ViBOFROST makes deep cleaning simple. The advanced sanitation system provides a regular, effective clean with minimal effort from you. It keeps your ice tasting crisp and your machine performing at its best, day after day. It's hygiene made easy. Let's finish with something sweet and soothing. Honey iced tea. Brew your favorite tea and sweeten it with honey while it's hot. Let it cool completely. Then, fill a glass with the ViBOFROST soft, crunchy ice and pour the tea over. It's the perfect way to cool down on a warm day, made even better with a perfect ice. Stop settling for bad ice. Elevate your everyday drinks with soft, crunchy ice you deserve from a machine that practically cleans itself. Click the link in the description to learn more and get your ViBOFROST Ice Maker today.